Welcome to the AutoStitch for iPhone app. This short video is to help you get the best results to create beautiful panoramas on your iPhone. The first thing you need to do is to capture a set of overlapping photos of your scene. There are only two things to remember. First is that the photos must overlap. Around 30% overlap works well for AutoStitch. These two photos show an example of the right amount of overlap, but you really don't need to be overly careful about it. The second thing to remember is not to move the camera too much when taking photos. Here's the wrong way to do it, rotating your whole body with the camera in hand. And here's the right way to do it. You just rotate the camera without actually moving it from one place to another. Now that you have your photos, you can open up AutoStitch. The first thing you see are the albums where you can select photos you want to stitch. If you've just snapped some images, you can open up the camera roll and that's where they'll be. When you select the images, you don't have to wait for each image to load. You can just select all of the ones that you want to stitch and they'll just keep loading until they're done. You can scroll back and forth to see where you're at in the process. If you selected an extra image that you don't want in the stitch set, you can just tap on it once to get rid of it. If you select an image twice by mistake, AutoStitch will automatically remove it. Once you're satisfied with the photos you've selected, you can go ahead and press Stitch. The stitch process takes a variable amount of time, depending on the different settings and on the number of images you choose to stitch together. The final image begins to appear while it is being created, as a set of tiles, and you can pan, zoom, and rotate the image while the rendering takes place. Panning uses a single finger swipe, while zooming can be done by pinching or by double tapping to maximize and minimize the panorama as it appears. When it's complete, you can crop the image using the crop icon on the top toolbar. To customize the crop rectangle, you can resize it using the blue crop handles, and then select Crop to view the final result. When you're ready, don't forget to save your image by tapping the Share icon and then Save to Photo Album, or one of our other sharing options. And that should get you started. We hope you enjoy using the AutoStitch for iPhone app.